Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to find another set of missing number from the given array. So for an example, you have given an array. So this is, let's say, it's starting from 11, 14 and 15. The missing number is 13. So what you have to do? First, you have to find the first value. We need to find the range, right? Array of 0. So what is the first value? It's 11. And the last value which we have is array dot length minus 1. So you will have 50. Now we have to calculate the sum. So to calculate the sum, you just have to add all these values present in the array. So the total sum will be 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 will be 52. This is your first step. Second step is you have to calculate the expected sum. To calculate the expected sum, you have to use this first and last. Though you want to find the complete range from 11 to 15, so we will be using the formula called similar formula which we used in previous video, n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now here if you will see, here we are going to use last into last plus 1 by 2. This is 1. From this you have to subtract the value first into first minus 1 by 2. Now why we are doing minus 1? Again the same thing, like we want to include all the parameter from 11 to 15. So let's calculate it quickly by using basic maths. So last is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 by 2. So it will be 8. And here you have first. First is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10 by 2. This will be a 5. So it will be 120 minus 55. So the expected sum is 65. So here you got your expected sum. To find the missing number, what we have done in previous video, we calculated the missing number by doing expected sum minus sum. So similar thing we have to do. We have to just do expected sum minus this sum, and we got our answer. So in this case 13, which is a missing number. So let me quickly jump to ID and we'll see how to write a code for the same thing. So here you can see we have given an array 11, 12, 13 and 15. The missing number is 14. So similar thing, first you have to calculate the sum. So to calculate the sum, you can simply use for each loop and add all the parameters in the sum. For an example like this. This is one way. Other way also you can directly use arrays dot stream. You can pass this value and you can do sum. This will also give you the sum. Any way is fine. In the next step, we have to calculate the expected sum. So before that, we have to find the first and last value. So the first value will be array of 0 and the last value will be array of length minus 1. So in this case, the first value you will have 11 and the last value you will have 15. Now what you have to do, you have to calculate the expected sum. To calculate the expected sum, we have to use similar formula what we have discussed, last into, so it will be last plus 1 by 2. From this you have to subtract first into first minus 1 by 2, and at the end you have to find the missing number. To find the missing number, what you have to do? You have to subtract sum from expected sum, and at the end you just have to print the missing number. So let me execute this program and we'll see what output we are getting. The expected output should be 14. So here you can see 14. So let me change the array and we'll see whether it's working for another set of example or not. So for an example, it's starting from 22, 23, 25, 26. Now in this case, the expected is 24. So let me execute this program once again and we'll see. So here you can see we are getting 24. So this is working perfectly fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Enjoy your day.